Confirmed, Samsung's next flagship Exynos processor will have AMD GPU. Samsung has confirmed that its next flagship Exynos chipset will have an AMD GPU. The firm announced the news at its Exynos 2100 launch event. This points to an AMD GPU inside 2022's Galaxy S flagship line. Samsung and AMD announced a partnership to develop a mobile GPU back in 2019, with a view to offering improved performance over its current ARM Mali GPU and closing the gap to Qualcomm. The Korean company has just announced the Exynos 2100 processor, set to power the Galaxy S21 series of phones in some markets. But the new processor is still using ARM's Mali graphics instead of AMD power. However, Samsung LSI President and General Manager Dr. Anup Kang has revealed during the launch event that its next flagship product would have a next-generation mobile GPU by AMD, skip to 1248. Samsung Semiconductor has now clarified to Android Authority that it was referring to its next flagship Exynos processor rather than the next flagship phone. By next flagship product, Dr. Kang meant Exynos, a company spokesperson told us, adding that it wasn't able to clarify specific devices that will use the next processor. Nevertheless, the confirmation that Samsung's next Exynos flagship processor would use an AMD GPU means we can expect it to land in 2022. In other words, it sounds like the Galaxy S22 series could offer AMD graphics this time next year. It's still too early to tell whether an Exynos processor with AMD graphics will result in class-leading GPU performance, but the initial effort will definitely set the foundation for future effort.